Here's how you can hang a picture with two nails so that if you pull out any one nail, the picture falls down. And this is what you should do. And now you see that if you pull out any one of the nails, let's say this nail, then the picture is not hanging anymore, it's going to fall down. And in the same way, if you pull out the other nail, then again the picture is no longer hanging and it's going to fall down. There are many ways to do this. Here's another way to do it that's a little bit different. And again, you can check that what I said is true. If you pull out either of the nails, the picture is going to fall down. But why stop at 2 nails? We can also do it with 3 nails. Here is how I will hang the picture. So what's really going on here? Well, it's all actually about the fundamental group of the topological space we're working with. If you have just a single nail, then this way of hanging the picture corresponds to A, and this way of hanging the picture corresponds to A inverse. If I have 2 nails, then this corresponds to AB, and this corresponds to AB inverse. So A means you go clockwise around the first nail. B inverse means that you go counterclockwise around the second nail. And now let's go back to my drawings. This one corresponds to A, B, A inverse, B inverse. Now what happens when you pull out a nail? If you pull out the second nail, that's equivalent to just deleting the B terms here. And then what you're left with are 2 things that cancel out. It gives you the identity. This way of hanging the picture corresponds to A inverse, B, A, B inverse. And again, you see, if you cancel out the A, if you get rid of the A or the B, then what you're left with cancels out. The solution with 3 nails corresponds to the expression A, B, A inverse, B inverse, C, B, A, B inverse, A inverse, C inverse. And again, the reason it works is that if you delete A from this expression, everything cancels out. If you delete B from this expression, everything cancels out. And if you delete C, everything cancels out again. So now you can figure out how to hang the picture on n nails with the same property. If you pull out any one nail, the picture will fall down. And the way you can do that is you can build up the solution inductively. Once you've figured out how to do it with n-1 nails using some expression W, then to give a solution with n nails, the solution will look like Wx, W inverse, X inverse, where X is the symbol that corresponds to the new nail.